What's up, guys? Today we're making a dumpling in a bowl. It's good. Just trust me. So let's get to it. We're going to start by cutting up our cabbage, and you want to dice it up into little pieces, and then we're going to cut the green part of a green onion, set that off to the side, and then cut up one full shallot. Once you've cut it up, we're going to put the shallot in our pot or on our pan, and we're going to cook it with our sherry wine, and you're going to let it cook for 5 minutes on its own. Then we're going to put together our innards. So we're going to do our tamari, we're going to do our sesame oil, our cabbage, and our carrots, and then we're going to add white pepper, garlic, or minced garlic, and minced ginger. And you're just going to mix all of that up, and then we're going to set it to the side. White pepper has a completely different taste than black pepper, so do not substitute this. You can if you want to, but if you want the full flavor of this, stick with the white pepper. So after it's all mixed up, we're going to put in our ground turkey, and you're just going to break it up, but we're not going to cook it all on its own because we're going to add our mixture on top of it, and then we're going to put a quarter cup of water all around the outside of it and then cover it. You're going to let this sit and cook on medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. After it's been cooking for 5 minutes, we're going to mix it all up. So there will be a little bit of browning, and then we're going to let it sit for another 8 minutes. After it's sat for 8 minutes, it's going to cook everything. Your cabbage is going to be wilted, and there is going to be leftover juice, but you don't want to drain it. You want to keep that juice because that adds to the flavor. So we're going to take it out, put it in a bowl, add another tablespoon of tamari on it, mix it all together, and then top it with green onions, and that's it. Like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit, y'all.